It's Elisha's birthday party. And I'll take you on a quick tour of the party
I'm Rick, and Rick shall win. Happy birthday, Thank you.